Hello, welcome back to Champion Crafts. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this cute and adorable little crochet circle. It can be used as a coaster or anything you want. What you'll need is some yarn, a crochet hook. I'm using a 4.5mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, and some scissors. Okay, we're going to first start off by doing a magic ring and how you're going to do that. Sorry, a magic circle. And how you're going to do that is you're going to grab the yarn, wrap it around, and make a X. And then right there, you're going to grab it, go under, and then over, and then twist it. And then right here, a second one, you're going to go in, and you're going to pull through. So now we have a magic circle. And what we're going to do is we're going to chain 2. This does not count as a stitch. And then we're going to do 12 double crochets into your magic circle. So double crochet is wrap the yarn around and go through, wrap the yarn and go through 2 and then go through 2. So wrap the yarn around, wrap the yarn, go through 2 and go through 2. So I've done 2 so far, and you're going to do 12 of these double crochets. Okay, so we have done our 12 double crochets. So now we're going to take this yarn and we're going to pull it, and now it's closed. So then right here we're going to go in, grab the yarn, wrap the yarn around. We're doing a slip stitch. Now we're going to chain 2, and what we're going to do is we're going to do a double crochet. We're going to do 2 double crochets in each stitch. So that stitch and do 2 double crochets. So wrapping the yarn around, going through the stitch, and then going through 2 and going through 2 of them. So we're going to do increases, which is 2 double crochets in each stitch all the way around. Wrap the yarn, go through 2, go through 2. So remember to go to 2 through each stitch. You should have 24 stitches by the time you are done. Also, if it makes you feel better, you can also do a pin right here so you know where your stitch is. But I'm not going to be using one because the length is so big. I have 24 stitches on my circle, and now we're going to go and we're going to slip stitch. So if you see there's a hole right here, you don't want to slip stitch into that or else the hole will be bigger. Instead, you're going to go right next to that hole into the stitch. Make sure it's not in that hole right there, or else that hole will be bigger. So I have 24, and now I'm going to chain 2. This does not count as a stitch. And I'm going to do 2 double crochets into that first stitch. Okay, I've done 2 double crochets in that first stitch. And then now I'm going to do 1 double crochet here, 2 double crochet here, 1 double crochet here. So basically doing every other one, you're going to be doing an increase or 2 double crochets. By the time you're finished with this, should have 36 stitches. So each time you're adding 12 increases. So 1 double crochet here, 2 double crochets here, 1 double crochet in the next one. You're gonna keep on doing that until you reach right here. I have 36 stitches right here. Make sure you have 36 stitches, so double check. And then we're going to slip stitch into here again, remember, not into here, but into this next one. Do not want to make a big hole. Just slip stitching, and then you're going to chain 2. And now you're going to do 2 double crochets into your next stitch. So that first stitch, so 2 double crochets into that first stitch. Okay, so now we're going to do 12 increases like the last time. So this time you're going to do 2 single crochets, 1 double crochet in 2 stitches, and then 2 double crochets. So what I mean is we're going to do 1 double crochet in this stitch. So just 1 double crochet. We're going to move on to the next stitch. So we're going to go in, around, 2, and then now we're going to do 2 right in this next stitch. We're doing 2 double crochets in that stitch. And then you're going to do 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochets in this next stitch. So every 2 you're going to have a 2 double crochets or an increase. Okay, so now we're going to slip stitch. You should have 48 stitches, and then you're gonna slip stitch. You're gonna slip stitch. You're going to cut your yarn, and then you're going to pull through, and then you're going to take your needle, and we're going to sew the ends, tuck the ends into your work. Oh my gosh, it's not wanting to go in. After finally threading my tapestry needle and fraying the ends, you're going to go in, see this magic ring circle, and you're just going to pull extra tight, and then you're going to sew in these stitches right here, that little circle, and you're going to keep on doing that until you've done quite a lot. Now I've done it, and you're going to cut the end, and then for right here, you're going to take, thread your tapestry needle, and you're going to go into your stitches, and you're going to continue going into your stitches until you think you've done enough, and then you're going to cut your string, and there you have it. You have a nice, beautiful crochet circle. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment down below for any questions or comments. Thank you for watching.